iPhone X reball middle frame. Using certain rebelling stencil for iPhone X. Now we put soldering paste on. In the proper concentration. We are using low temperature soldering paste. Motherboard won't be heated up if soldering paste not even melted. (500°) point to the paste until it's melted. Now we done, look perfect. Just a little bit soldering flux. Put the top layer on the right position. Heat gun 360°. Once reach the melting temperature, you will see slightly movement. Let motherboard cool down. Now we just soldering the board together.